Hugs and kisses.
Don't be a stranger.
So let's get started. Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? I hope you all doing great. So for today's video, I'm gonna take you to Sogod so we can do our maintenance for the bike. So, and anyway, my videographer for today is my niece. She's holding the camera right now, and obviously we have a very beautiful day. It's sunny here in southern Leyte. So without further ado, let's vamonos. Let's go. Southern Leyte, and we just wait for the bike to cool down so we can put the bike inside, because we need to cool down the engine first so they can put oil and then do some checkups. So we went here because our bike needs to tune up and change its oil, so we'll wait for that. But first, we're gonna pay to the cashier, so let's go inside. We're paying for the labor. So hey guys, we are just waiting because I was going to pay for the tune up and what is this? And the tune up and for the maintenance, but the cashier isn't here yet, so we're just gonna wait for that. I like this big bike. Yeah, big bike, the blue one. No, it's nice. Anyway, we're just waiting for the bike and we're just here chilling. We're waiting the bike to finish because it needs to do some checking for the parts like that. Then we're gonna check it, and then the tune up, and of course the change oil. So yeah, it's not really that fast to do because they also have a lot of motorbikes. Now that we are done, we're going home because it's cloudy outside. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, it's cloudy. Look at that. So I hope it won't rain because it's been gloomy there. So right now, since our errands here in Sogod is done and we are going home, it's starting to rain. It started to rain. So yeah, I think we're done and ready to leave.
A few inches later.
Oh my god, it's so freaking wet. Wait, hon. Oh. It's rain. It rained. The heck? What the heck? It rained. That's our motorbike. So it rained and we need to stop because I am really wet. Okay guys, since I know the rain won't stop, look at that, it's still raining, and I guess it won't stop. So I'm just gonna drive until I know I'm gonna be wet. So I'm gonna just take a shower when I get home, and obviously because if we will be waiting, we'll be here until mga 5 p.m. and our mom will be really mad, so we're gonna get going. I'm not gonna wear my mask anymore. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is Ellen's Journey Through Life channel. Anyway, we are home safe. I already just took a bath, and unfortunately, and I'm sorry that I haven't done the video on the way home because it was heavy rain. So yes, that is the video that we have for today guys, and I hope that you like it. Please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Ellen's Journey Through Life channel. I'll be sending my warm hugs and kisses. Bye!
Don't be a stranger.